My name is Anna and I'm from Madrid, Spain. I was working at a PR agency in Madrid called Globally, and I was working in event management. I'm in the postgraduate certificate of marketing. Well, I studied university, I studied communication, but I didn't really have a solid marketing background. So when I started working, I realized that I needed a little bit more knowledge when it came to marketing. So I decided to come here and make that happen. Something I really like about London School of Business and Finance is that it's a really international school. So I get the chance to meet a lot of people from around the world. So I have colleagues from South Africa, I have colleagues from South Korea, from Spain, from Belgium. So that's something I'm really enjoying. The best thing about my lecturers, I feel, is that they're people who are actually and currently working in the things they're teaching. So the inside information they're able to give us is so much better than having the typical lecturer who just babbles about things they don't really work at. So that's something I really like. For me, the outstanding material that we have here, the fact that we're able to put in practice everything that they're teaching us, and the way they focus the learning towards the final projects and to be able to actually apply it on a day-to-day job. So that's something I find is great. I think they've been teaching me a lot about being able to analyze not only what we're learning, but the outside world too. So I think it gives us such a much more global perspective on what we're learning. And then when we actually start working, for most of us, it's going to be much easier. I've been really enjoying one of my subjects, which is brand management. I think it's such an amazing course in the sense that I didn't really know anything about it and how it worked. So it's something I've been enjoying a lot. I enjoy doing it, and doing my homework and my assignments is something I'm really liking. Well, actually, I was recommended into the LSBF by my cousin, and I'm so happy I actually came, so I would definitely recommend it to my friends. The material is great, the teachers are great, and I'm overall having a great experience here, so I would definitely recommend it. Now I'm currently doing my assignments, so I would recommend that when you start the lessons, always think about applying everything you're learning into doing your assignment, because then it's going to give you a better perspective of how to do it, and then that you're going to apply later on your job. So just listen in class, basically. So if I had to sum up in one word my experience here in the LSBF, it would be definitely enriching.